Welcome to our comparison of two exciting dashcams. Today, we will take a closer look at the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dashcam and the dashcam front and rear. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what sets them apart in the world of vehicle surveillance. Whether you're looking for comprehensive coverage or high-resolution recording, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The PRUVEEO dashcam offers an impressive 360-degree view, allowing you to capture footage from all angles around your vehicle. This feature is ideal for comprehensive monitoring and ensuring no blind spots. In contrast, the PRUVEEO dashcam provides a triple-channel setup, which includes front, interior, and rear recording. While it may not cover all angles like the PRUVEEO, it still offers a solid view of the most critical areas around your vehicle. When it comes to video resolution, the PRUVEEO dashcam takes the lead with a stunning 2.5K front camera resolution, providing clearer and more detailed footage. On the other hand, the PRUVEEO dashcam records at 1080p, which is still good, but not as sharp as the PRUVEEO's offering. If high-definition recording is a priority for you, the PRUVEEO may be the better choice. The PRUVEEO dashcam comes with a generous 128GB storage card, allowing for extended recording times without the need to frequently swap cards. In contrast, the PRUVEEO dashcam includes a 32GB card, which is sufficient but may require more frequent management of recorded footage. Additionally, the PRUVEEO features a built-in battery for short-term recording and viewing, a feature that the PRUVEEO lacks. This could be an important consideration for users who want the flexibility of recording even when the vehicle is off. In conclusion, both the PRUVEEO 360-degree view dashcam and the PRUVEEO dashcam offer unique features that cater to different needs. The PRUVEEO excels in coverage and storage, while the PRUVEEO shines with its higher resolution and built-in battery. Depending on your priorities, either could be a great addition to your vehicle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.